तिकडून इकडे ड्युटी लागली बेजार.
अरे मी घरी गेलो होतो.
Heavy vehicle which had lost control due to reasons which is at present unknown rammed into several vehicles, and one small vehicle got sandwiched between a heavy vehicle which was in the front, leading to fire due to impact, and probably 4 to 5 inmates of this small vehicle have died. A lot of other injured have been shifted in various hospitals in and around this area. We are closely monitoring the situation. Rescue operation is almost over. Now we are trying to decongest and regulate the traffic. Various teams have been put at Sassoon Hospital to pick up the DNA samples and also to do the inquest, and we are trying to expedite the post-mortem. The bodies would be handed over after the DNA profiling is done. We are trying to identify the names of the and identities of the deceased people. Forensic vans and the iBikes are working in large numbers at various places to try and look at it. We are trying to verify the CCTV footages to exactly ascertain what incident took place.
कार मधनं टोटल 5 पूर्वी पकडून केबल पाहिजे ते केबल हायड्रोलिक केबल पाहिजे हायड्रोलिक केबल हा
कुठले
घ्या ना मग कोण आहे तिथं
कुठली केबल राहिली चल ना भाऊ
जवळपास 7 जणांचा वरतून मृत्यू झालेला आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये एक लहान बाळाचा देखील समावेश आहे अशी माहिती या ठिकाणी मिळते. आणि आता पूर्ण घटनेची माहिती घेण्यासाठी स्वतः पोलीस आयुक्त या ठिकाणी दाखल झालेले आहेत. स्थानिक लोकांच्या बरेच तक्रारी आहेत. इथं बरेच अपघात याच्या अगोदर देखील झालेले आहेत. कारण साताऱ्याहून जो कात्रज बोगदा आहे तिथून हा तीव्र होता.